Vivo has just introduced a new mid-range device with a 5500 mAh battery and a curved AMOLED screen. Let me give you the rest of the specifications, but first let me tell you the model name. We're talking about the Vivo V30e, a device that aims to compete against the Realme 12 Pro or the Redmi Note 13 Pro. The design is intriguing because it showcases a circular camera module that is positioned in the upper left corner. Furthermore, we also come across the conventional ring light instead of a mere flash, and on the right-hand side we can see a slightly more reflective finish, which adds a dual touch to the back cover of this device. The colors are denoted as velvet red and silk blue. The device is furnished with an IP resistance level against water and dust, which implies that it can endure splashes but is not designed to be completely submerged in water. The screen is 6.7 inches with AMOLED technology and full HD resolution. It also comes with a 120 Hz refresh rate and has a fingerprint reader within the screen. In the photography section, we will find two cameras for the rear side. The main one is 50 megapixels with a sensor made by Sony, and then we have the 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera. In the case of the main camera, it also includes optical stabilization, while for selfies we also have a 50 megapixel sensor with autofocus. As usual, Vivo emphasizes a lot on a powerful front camera, but please remember we are discussing a mid-range device, so do not expect to see a highly powerful processor. In this case, we are talking about the Snapdragon 6th Gen paired with 8 GB of RAM. There are versions with 128 GB or 256 GB of storage, and as mentioned earlier, the battery is 5500 mAh, supporting 44-watt charging, which is also very common in devices from this manufacturer. The cost of the standard variant is 27999 INR, since this gadget was introduced in India, but please be aware that the prices in this location may differ from those in other regions. Let's wait to determine if Vivo will also launch this device in additional regions or if it will be exclusive to India.